What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another day in the vlog. It is Friday afternoon, or evening I should say, and got some good news and somewhat bad news. So the good news is I have a charging port. Charging port has arrived. And the somewhat bad news is I don't have the charging port and the cover delivered. So originally I sent a ticket in, well, I sent a few tickets in with this address. But the order, when you do the ticket, all you had to put the order number in, and the order number has my old address for when I bought the scooter. So they were gonna send it there, and then I had them, message them a few times, finally got a hold of them, and they said they're gonna try to forward it. So it was out for delivery today as well, funny enough. And it was forwarded, so it may come tomorrow, but I just care about the charger port right now. I can always put the case, I can use that case that's there and then install another one later on. Anywho, we are going to get this installed. Here's my, I'm gonna put a towel down on here. Shaky, shaky, shaky. Then, okay, so here's a charging port. So there's a few screws we need to get out, I believe. This is different. All right, so here's the charging port. It's really on there, jeez. Try to make sure this is not blow up. There we go. Push that up under. Oh, so it's actually easier than what I saw. And the only thing is I need to get a bunch of silicone spray for that to make it waterproof and all. Actually, to do a quick test just to make sure it is only a charger port, I'm gonna plug this new one in. Well, technically, I don't have to do all this right now. I can wait till I get the new stuff and then charge it this way. But I'm trying to see the closest plug. The light turns red, and that's working. All right. Light's red, so it's charging. Again, I think I am gonna wait until I have, I mean, I could do it, but I might as well keep the old one on. There's a case that messes up, with the case being loose. So I was gonna just tape the case, the best I can. And I'll just do that. And then keep this charging port separate until I get it completely fixed and all that. So, yeah, good to go. And of course, you can see right there's all that silicone to make it like waterproof. Waterproof in it. And then that's where there's a bolt, should be a bolt. I guess this interior is different. it had like a, I mean, you can still take these out, but this had this in there. Just like this. Instead of like the longer edition. So there may be a scooter ride involved tonight. I'm waiting to hear back from the tent, see if he's available or not. And we'll go from there. So for now, I'll end it right here. All right, so time has gone by, some hours. Looks like we're gonna end up going scooter riding tomorrow. So I'll film it. I was still gonna go scooter riding, but I'll just hold off for now. I was talking to my brother, one of them, from my birth family, Shane, and with Mel, we've just been on like a call. She's dog sitting for the weekend. But I'm gonna show you my scooter. It has fully charged. So we're good to go. So expect a vlog tomorrow, scooter riding. I know this vlog wasn't as crazy as I thought it was gonna be, but it's okay. I'd rather just wait till I have all the parts. So I'll catch you guys around.